It is a Ghana nyina ye butu o man ma beja Monchman ka hawe no so enema bi air trend ani nyina ye Ken Ofori Atta and is a special prosecutor e be declare no wanted a former finance minister Ken Ofori Atta ye be declare no wanted no just a special prosecutor ne kase no opa tre se onim baby a Ken Ofori Atta wo enti ebe ya mo Ofori Atta se obeba back na ya chi no eno na Afia Schwar ka transit no se da bi se mo ka se mo nim baby a Ken Ofori Atta wo amene mo nya adwene enti de wo be dwudwansem a wo kire se onim baby a Ken Ofori Atta wo na even Mahama himself ekwa ni baby Ofori Atta wo na mo mfa Ghana for enya nkwasiafo aha Penyah blog media mesere wa se over like video na obo subscribe button so na be click notification icon of latest update na be kire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section etinyo no mre ne na is a Ghana hanom no the air trend Ken Ofori Atta former finance minister ni fia je se enkofu bi a yenim wo manim akọ ready afie a je se sirin suba ye no omako boran fie akọ scatter niema ne ka omako papa ne car glass akọ enema basabasa anyiran say na they were in a human hands of him omo ehwe no because of some scandal bi akọ so past government ni mu a omo kire say Ofori Atta ne din bon mu bi aje say there was CCTV camera footage a capture enkofu yom cheche soldiers uniform as so hu omo ni mu clear but as of now you hu omo nyina adi ni ye hu omo eti ena no pe no special prosecutor ebe kasa e wo kire mu say Sadly now mu claim say a course wo Ken Ofori Atta free India it was staged.
State that the purported raid on Mr. Ofori Atta's residence was staged, or at best, an imposter action in an attempt to court disfavor for the OSP and to derail the investigation. You know us very well. The OSP is never deterred by such occurrences, and the investigations will continue as by law prescribed. These occurrences and the OSP's intelligence, which will not be revealed at this time for fear of compromising the investigation, are very instructive as not to put premium on Mr. Ofori Atta's alleged imminent peril should he travel back to the jurisdiction. In any case, the purported medical letter transmitted through his lawyers to the OSP did not state so or demonstrate so. The OSP is unconvinced that the purported medical letter transmitted by Mr. Ofori Atta through his lawyers to the OSP represents a medical report to the effect that Mr. Ofori Atta is incapacitated or is so sickly and invalid to the extent that he is physically unable to return to the jurisdiction without imperiling his life. No serious law enforcement agency, and certainly not the OSP, will be convinced that the purported medical letter stops it from demanding the physical appearance of Mr. Ofori Atta before it in the described circumstances. We are of the firm conviction here that this is only a ruse employed by Mr. Ofori Atta in aid of his intention to avoid returning to the jurisdiction and to personally answer questions in respect of the investigations.
Aye settings, Oma Sheda no maye, MPP for now aye settings, and Omaye just to prevent Ofori Atta from appearing before court for interrogations and other things. How much I say, Omania Bresa Crodom, Ken Ofori Atta for near be National Cathedral, one. 2, tax. Ghana Revenue Authority, tax assess your munsa no the buyer no. And one accountability in the money may be. Others I say, Niema bebrebe no more put it up. Cases are almost raised against Ken Ofori Atta. I don't know Omania Bresa, 18 no Pacrano. Senator said, special prosecutor Kasano. Or declare Ken Ofori Atta wanted. I would tell him say ebeya mo Ofori Atta say obeba ni fie na de also omni na can dance obesi betetete. And then Afia Schwar say there be as the mo ye no master te ye no ye no mo nya adwene. Afia Schwar kire mu a Mahama, His Excellency John Mahama, onimba bia Ken Ofori Atta wo. And even special prosecutor no kwana or kasana or pretending say the only baby of Ofori Atta one. Or ya aware only baby Ofori Atta wo. The future mu say Ofori Atta or France. Mahama enkwache no na onya concert na sebi oni Ghana for air.
Who is John Mahama fooling? John Mahama. Who is he fooling? And then no mama with theatricals. Who is John Mahama fooling? And why are they giving you people theatricals? Why? What is the agenda? Me ba cho muntimi ntro letter me kan che say mo hwehwe Ken Ofori Atta abra mo na mo ka che Ken Ofori Atta say on fi krom ho na mo be yesa mo be che no mo ka say e jimi on Joma think I don't know you are in bed with a Kufuado. You think the Nigerians didn't tell me last month Gabi Ochedako organizing APD and my NDC for and Tiadena Moba Trolla Tabakacha Ghana for say Moshe Shana Dunia Gabi Wofa Moshare. You think we are stupid, eh? Just a money bobia Magana for a Moya John Yama. Moya John with the soldier for Ken Ofori Atta fie. Abraham Wamunim say Wakota was Southern France. Abraham Wamunim Afia was shame I was Southern France. Ada na mo chola ta braka na force mo hwehwe Ken Ofori Atta na mo ko Gabi ho enya Gabi na mo ne ya national security briefing na wasn't it Gabi? I hate it when I see that you have an attempt to play with my goddamn intelligence because we are not stupid. You people are stupid. Mo ko chia no ma tutu ne ho a na ma fa boy tro kayano. Boy tro kayano and then the special prosecutor no ano wa phone mo kan tell them say won no mo jaduro na ni mo nyadu boy tro kayano mo kwa shesha na mama boy tro kayana be deliver. Do you think we are stupid? Do you think we are stupid? John Mahama and Gabi Ochedako knows where Ken Ofori Atta na many power na ma Debbie Osha White. Ne born no, he wants to be identified. No, mama, no. Man, Ken Ofori Atta. The animal be Nanado was in Nigeria promising Osanju banking license whilst Ken Ofori Atta was collapsing the banks of Ghanaians. I want to say this in English so that the Nigerians will understand. Nanado, that idiot, that ugly cocoon was promising Nigerians Osanju, to be precise. Osanju, Nanado promised Osanju that he will give his son a banking license, whilst Nanado and his twat of an uncle Ken Ofori Atta were collapsing people's business. John Mahama, I also know those that told me this information also told me that Nanado and the person come out and to maybe an Nanado of Fano and what? Stop playing with the minds of Ghanaians. Stop it! Money baby Ken Ofori Atta, and we all want that idiot arrested. ASAP. We want him arrested. And Timo Fanimra, Mona Mama na kote, Muye Mubetrole, do we look stupid in your eyes? You know the fear face, eh? You know, sa theatrical na mubeye no. Sa theatrical, sa drama no. I can't drama no. So ya phone koni fie. Sa theatrical so na muye no. Anyway, cowards. Sa theatricals na muye no. Anyway, and this for me say Gabi are organizing APD. Mama last month na. And then I'm back catch say Gabi in chair baby and you for Abraham, you are in bed with Gabi Ochedako. Why you guys not having national security briefings in Gabi's house? Didn't that happen? When you trust you what it? Mama make sure on behalf of all the 30-something million Ghanaians, Mama make sure for the shit you did yesterday. Do we look stupid in your eyes? Do we look stupid in your eyes? I'm sorry, maybe I say mommy come home and tribute. And two mommy try them, I can't take care no. But me can be. Why are you people taking Ghanaians for granted? There is nothing not to love about me this morning because I am glowing the grace of God. I'm just glowing in the grace of God. Ken Ofori Atta or Southern France. Sikano suwa Guyana. Mutie. Ken Ofori Atta one in another in your Makotofi or Southern France. Our Southern France, the money is in Guyana. If you people are interested in getting our money for us, the money is in accounts in Guyana. And no, my mom will pay me April. My mom banking details. The money is in Guyana. And the money is in Southern France. Now don't come and ask Sulemana any Atadua that we are looking for Ken Ofori Atta, and at this point in time he's a fugitive. He's only chance. Who are you playing with? Why am I doing media girl now? Why you crazy? Something not there correct for mono musan multiple form and I'm off a baby or form wedding. Mogas a Ghana for Jimmy on. Oh my Jimmy Crabby, I will not allow you to do that to them. Any current sending a friend of Mahama. So I'm more real Ken Ofori Atta winning baby over. Muti Mon can't push a friend in another no. Any barman a friend of Mahama. So I'm me and woman you baby I Ken Ofori Atta or I'm a former Jimmy free as on call. Yeah, nobody had any baby I go now. Me say Mon can't read a friend in another no. Any current sending a friend of Mahama no. Someone and no man I friend Ken Ofori Atta now. They fucking know where he is. I'm a former Jimmy and free as on call. Hey. Last time on better let I catch you say, Mama will be a cote. No mama catch us somewhere and do Yan and Ramo sooner. Jimmy. Most trying to offer. Mobile Busa at Tabo saying, Says I know be a much let I see a woman. I'm going to try Ken Ofori Atta. Moi, hey, Jimmy no. Hey. Mokasa mo die be theater council. Omo yenta for no and to kwana me wo side. No, me a commander in chief of that pettiness that is going on. I like it. Me ba cho wa won ti ase yes life begins at 40. And to me 43 I'm literally 3 years old.
Abusia enya asem kuma ensem de Afia Schwar adwudwa bi mu pa sira ko tie bi wadwudwa nsemu. Ubeti wa chere wa jene ewo comment section. Aha yi Penyah blog media.